What is the most fundamental human craft? Agriculture is the primary craft, the one on which our livelihood depends, and which binds us to the earth from which we are made. Culture, as an activity in its broadest sense, consists of humanity's transformation of the world in order to meet its needs and desires. Technology is the totality of the means and processes used by humankind to bring about this transformation. Thus, culture is the dual concept of nature. That which is not natural is cultural, and conversely. Our environment and our personality are a combination of these two elements. Craftsmanship is an expression of technology. It consists of producing entirely and essentially by hand a single usable object, that is to say, a thing transformed towards a specific purpose. Industry is another expression of technology. It aims to transform raw materials into manufactured goods through mass production using machines and processes that are now automated, thus contrasting with manual labor and simple tools. Agriculture, as an essential means of food production, stems from cultivation in that it consists essentially of transforming the product of a natural process, whether growth or feeding, into a consumable commodity. Agriculture is fundamental to meeting the most basic need of all human beings, to feed oneself. Like other economic activities, that is, those associated with the exchange of value, it is subject to specialization, which must ensure its quality and profitability. Traditional agriculture is a craft that has become an industry. The farmer works primarily with his hands to produce the consumable product in its entirety, from the plant to its fruit, from the animal to its meat. But whilst he transforms living raw materials through his industry, the mechanization and automation of agricultural work, which contribute to this transformation, are not yet sufficient to reduce it to mere industrial production. The farmer, or peasant, remains the one who, in contact with the land, observes the life cycle of the beings and things that populate his world. Farming alters the land, sculpting the landscapes around us and shaping our ecosystems. And the farmer and the herder integrate natural cycles into the framework of human activities, weaving their labor into the living fabric of the earth. Their transformative role helps shape natural and cultural spaces where every furrow plowed is a mark of humanity's imprint on nature. Agriculture is therefore the primary craft, essential to our subsistence and deeply rooted in the land where we were born and to which we are indefinitely bound. Indispensable, it deserves to be held in the highest honor and esteem.